Hey, real talk for a second. The first time I fired up the Q5 Pro, it hit me how smooth a gaming session could feel without waiting on load bars or guessing whether my system could handle the moment. This is for the kind of person who has outgrown the frustration of lag and hesitation and wants a rig that actually keeps pace with you. Before anything else, check the current price and availability. Systems at this level don't sit in stock once gamers and creators start realizing what they offer. You know that moment all too well. You launch a game and it stutters, or you switch tasks and your old setup hesitates like it is tired. That's the kind of drag that wears on you without you even noticing until you experience something better. That was my cue. I realized I was done with compromise gear that left me holding back. Switching to this PC didn't just add power, it lifted a weight I didn't know I was carrying. Instant boots, responsive gameplay, quick loads, and everyday tasks that feel smooth instead of sluggish. It is not about breaking records on benchmarks. It is about confidence every time you sit down. In real use, this rig changes how you show up. You boot it up and you re-ready, not waiting. Mid-range games stay fluid. Creative tasks don't make you wince. Even multitasking between apps doesn't become a guessing game about whether it'll stutter. Once you feel that steady responsiveness, you start noticing how much time you were losing before. And don't wait, prices shift and availability changes quickly. This is the kind of rig that moves fast once people catch on. Maybe you're wondering if this is enough for what you do. Let me reframe that. Once you feel consistent performance where nothing hesitates, anything slower starts to feel like a step backwards. That's not hype, that's what it feels like every day. Here's something most people don't expect until they live with it. A system you don't have to babysit. You launch what you want and it responds. That's the real upgrade, and not just raw numbers, but day-to-day confidence. You feel immediate responsiveness. Games run reliably without strain. Tasks stay smooth and consistent. Everything feels ready when you are. Your setup finally matches your pace. It's not pushing the top-tier enthusiast envelope. More power would mean higher cost. At some point, you stop looping through every spec comparison and just pick the machine that already felt right. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and look back on wishing you pulled the trigger sooner, especially when stock fluctuates and prices rise. If you're ready for a gaming PC that stops holding you back and starts keeping up with you, check the current availability and make the move. The moment you power it on, you'll feel exactly why it mattered.